Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Geo mobile number must be active and Aadhaar linked, and you need the device with at least 50% charge. Open the My Geo app or visit a Geo store, choose the eSIM upgrade option. This shifts your SIM profile to eSIM on the same number. Do this now because once you request activation, the network will allocate an eSIM profile tied to your identity. Make sure you're on a secure connection before proceeding. Once done with prerequisites, request the eSIM upgrade through My Geo or at a Geo store. Select Upgrade to eSIM and follow Aadhaar eKYC steps. You'll verify via OTP and biometric or PIN as required because the operator must confirm identity before issuing the virtual profile. After verification, Geo generates an eSIM QR code. It may arrive in-app or by email. And the original, you now install the eSIM by scanning the QR, open Settings, choose Mobile Data or Cellular, and add eSIM. Keep the physical SIM until activation confirms. After installation, select whether eSIM will be primary for calls and data, and check APN settings if data fails. Activation completes in minutes. If it does not, reboot the phone, rescan the QR, and wait 5 to 10 minutes before retrying. If still unresolved, contact Geo support with your reference ID for a swift fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.